Hello there. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from KuCoin. To do this, first go to KuCoin.com and log into your account. You can withdraw your money by debit card, credit card, or bank account. For this, go to Assets options and then select Overview. From here you can see your total assets. Right now I don't have any assets. Here you will see you have a bunch of options that could your money that could have your money in. There's funding, trading, margin, features, options, trading bot, finance. So for example, you have money in options or trading bot or margin, then you have to do is send the money to funding. Make sure that how much you want to withdraw and move the money to trade funding. Then you will see your balance here, and then select withdraw from here, and you can withdraw the money in two ways. So if you want to withdraw with crypto, then select your cryptocurrency, then paste your wallet address from another wallet and select a network. Or you can also send to it KuCoin user, then you have to put their email, mobile phones, or unique ID. And you can also withdraw the money by fiat. So for this, select withdraw fiat and select your withdraw fiat currency. You will see the currency you can withdraw. Then select your withdraw method. To withdraw this, you have to verify your payment gateway, and then select amount and withdraw it. Follow the prompts, and that's how you can withdraw money from KuCoin. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like.